How much will 2,500 XRP be worth in 2025? In this video, I'm going to be talking about how much 2,500 XRP will be worth in 2025. You might be asking, why are you choosing that amount? Well, it's because if we look at the rich list around XRP, that is like the sweet spot on how much XRP the majority of wallets do hold. I know that there are a lot of other wallets out there that hold a larger amount, and I don't think that 2,500 should be the goal for anyone. In fact, I think that everyone should be holding at least 10,000 to 20,000. And again, the more you can hold, the better. But it all goes by how much you could actually afford and how long you have been investing into XRP. In this video, we're going to be talking about how much 2,500 XRP will be worth by 2025. And we're going to go in depth on this. We're going to be talking about it. And we're not just using price predictions. We're actually utilizing math mixed with the previous price action, the previous information that we are given on the price charts with data, and we're just going to go over it right. I will give you guys my thought process on the whole thing, and like I said, we'll go over everything in detail. If you have been around the space for a little bit of time, you should have a lot more XRP than 10,000, for an example. And the reason why I say that is because if we look at the all-time chart for this right, I have been around this space for a while, and we've had a long time to accumulate a ton of XRP under $1. I mean, we're talking about going all the way back to 2019, 20-some cents, sub 20 cents at some points in time, 30 cents, sub 10 cents for, or sub 20 cents. Sorry, for a very long time back here, like 15 cents, 17 cents, 18 cents. Because even if we go back to July of 2023, for an example, when we got XRPs not security, we hit about 83 cents, 82 cents. Now I know, like I said, 10,000 XRP to some people is way too expensive, and I get that. I understand it. But if we're really kind of looking at XRP today, 2,500 XRP if you did buy during the bear market versus today, well, you're looking at some pretty good profits now. Most of my prices in this video, when we talk about XRP, is going to be tied back to the narrative that's kind of floating around with XRP flipping Ethereum. That's always been a big narrative. It's always been a big talking subject. And it's because XRP was the #2 project for a very long time. And in fact, there's actually an opportunity in this market that you got the chance to screenshot XRP actually being the #1 project. And if we go over here, we have December 2nd, 2024, XRP returns the third largest crypto after a 4-year battle with the SEC. And that's another big thing, right? We have the SEC completely changing in 2025. On January 20th, we have Gary Gensler stepping down. We also have a pro-crypto admin, so we could see some very big moves for XRP and for even Ripple, the company that utilizes the XRP ledger and XRP. So with that, there is a lot of catalyst, there's a lot of discussions, there's a lot of things to speculate on, adoption, partnerships, announcements, this, that, whatever, but it's definitely going to be a very interesting year for crypto. It's definitely going to be a very bullish year for crypto as well, in my opinion. And as we do think about that, right, we have to think about where are these altcoins going to go in terms of price-wise. Well, we go and look at, past charts, and I'm not looking at the USD chart here. I'm looking at the dominance chart. Listen, I made this post over, or this Google Sheets over here when we were at like sub-dash 2.5% dominance. Now, XRP is known for high, dominance levels. I mean, if we're going to the 2020 time frame, it looked like XRP was about to break out in a big way. And the 6% level, if we're taking a look at this, is kind of like the mid-range, I would argue, like 6% is the mid-range on this overall chart here. Now, I have this area up here. It's a 12.4% dominance. I'm just rounding down to 12% for the sake of this video. The reason why I do have this like this is a level on the chart because of FIB extensions mainly. Okay, so this would be, the golden ratio outreach essentially on this chart. So that's why this is on the chart. Now you might be saying, well, 12.4% is significant for XRP considering the fact that it hasn't hit that since going all the way back to 2019. And I would agree with you if the narrative wasn't the fact that XRP is going to flip Ethereum, which is a big narrative that's been floating around for years now. I get it, right? Does that make it a 100% possibility or a guarantee or anything like that? No, but I do think that. Anything is possible. The space is very volatile. Don't take this as financial advice. Utilize it as educational purposes only, but I'm definitely looking forward to seeing what XRP does this cycle. I do think that it is going to new all-time high, and I do think that's going to surprise a lot of people. And I do think that there's a probability of it definitely flipping Ethereum and becoming the #2 largest project yet again, like it has historically in the past been.